Do you smell that? And I'm not talking about the underwear you just pooped through. I'm talking about the irresistible offer we're about to be whipping up for our 4-in-1 EMS blade that we're about to test. Now, if you're a little bit behind, this is day 14 of the 0 to 100K challenge, and today is all about offers. I'm going to talk about my 3 favorite offers, the highest converting for me, that I consistently use on my brands that are doing over 100 grand a month. We're going to show how to set each one of them up so you're going to have no questions, no qualms, and of course, we're going to mention how to split test because you know your boy's all about the numbers. We got to know what offer is the most profitable by split testing constantly. Now, what are the different offers we can actually do in the first place? Great question there, Pookie. Well, really it boils down to these 3 that you can see on my screen for basically the same product. Now, the first offer I absolutely love is a fake BOGO, where essentially you have a dummy offer where buying 1 doesn't make any sense, but it's $34 in this case, but buying 2 is also $34. So it makes that second offer look so much more valuable. But how do we set that up? Well, hopping on over to Kaching, all we have to do is create a bundle deal and we will do the quantity breaks for the same product. So to keep it really simple, typically for the block title, I have some sort of urgency, like saying the sale's ending soon. In this case, we can do BOGO sale ending soon. Exclamation. And of course, you're going to have to select the product that it's actually going to show up for. So let's just select a dummy product real quick. So we have our massager. And as we scroll down, the way that you're going to typically do this is that you'll have the buy 1 option. That'll be the name of the title. You will have it at whatever the default price is. But then for the buy 2 option, this is where things get a little bit kooky, a little bit fancy. Instead of the discounted price, we're going to do the specific price, and it'll be the exact same as the buy 1 option. As you can see, the buy 1's 20. Buy 2 is also 20. Obviously, you would have to play around with the colors, throw in some images in there so it really stands out. But that's really the nuts and bolts behind it. Like pretty recently for a beauty product, all I did was the exact same setup here. And then I had some little labels for 1 month supply, 2 month supply, if you want to see how that actually looks. Very, very simple. I just had in the subtitle here how much they're actually getting. And then the label here, 1 month supply. Now, this label you can play around with. Sometimes I'll do the amount that they're saving. So you can do save and then a dollar amount. So you can see right here, you can do percentage, dollar total. So really quickly, you can do that so you can really show the value. Now, the next offer I love is a bundle, and this makes a lot of sense if you're selling a cheaper product, because for me, I need to make sure that with my offer, I'm at least getting a $25 margin and I'm selling it for 3 times more than it cost me. So when you're selling cheaper products, let's say a soap, for instance, or even in this case, a supplement, what you can do is have buy 2 be the first option, and then you can do buy 4, buy 6, or you can do buy 2, 3, and then 4. So typically the best way to set that up, again, going into Kaching here, we would do buy X and then get Y free. And then from here, typically the best layout. So again, we'll just choose our example massager product. So we'll just do that. Then when we go into style, typically I do the left to right format. This converts just a bit better for me. And again, you want to play around with colors. You want to play around with all the different options, but we'll just do that a little later because that's not really that important. But when it comes to these buy 2, 3, and 4 options, typically the best, highest converting offers have progressive gifts. Meaning, if you choose the second option, then you unlock a gift. If you choose the third option, you unlock another gift. So I would always play around when you're doing these supplements and these cheaper products. What are the accessory products that will speed up the results your customer wants? What else will provide value to them? So just as an example, I just want to show you how to set this up. We can just select our first product. So every single option will have this as the first. And when it comes to the title, I don't really typically like to have any emojis or anything like that because it just looks a little bit cheesy in my opinion. So for style, we'll also just lower the size because we don't need that headline to be enormous. But going on back here to our progressive gifts, we go to settings and then we can choose our second gift. So in this case, let's just choose another one here. Obviously, you want to make sure this pertains to the product that you're selling, but this is just for example setup purposes. And then for the third one, let's just see, we'll just choose a product here. We'll go with this one. And this is how it would look. So if someone chooses the first option, these other 2 are locked. Now, when it comes to the title, you see here it says locked for the product title. I don't personally like that. So when you go to this option right here of title, we are going to have the lock title also be what the name of the product is. So I like them to know, yes, this is what the product is that you are going to potentially unlock. We can also throw in other things like having a subscription, which makes sense when you're selling these supplements and these products where people will go through them pretty quickly. So right here, typically my default subscription settings are going to be having this above the bundle deal bar. Typically it would be subscribe and save 15% is what I like to do. And then for style, you can play around with the titles. You can play around with everything here. You don't want it to be too crowded because you can see here, it's getting a little bit crowded, but we're going to subscribe and save, and we'll do the subscribe plus 1-time option as well. I'm actually going to choose to have this below the bundle because I think that'll make a little bit more sense. And then I also don't typically always like to have a block title here because sometimes I like to have urgency instead. So you can go down here and we can see that we have a countdown timer, which I also like. So again, I'm going to get rid of this emoji, not the biggest fan in the world, and we'll do end at midnight. And again, we have the urgency, we have the offer, subscribe and save. We can even simplify the text a little bit and just say offer ends in certain time period. And then typically for the titles, I don't do buy one, get one free as the title. I usually just will do 2-pack, 4-pack, 6-pack. And then you have to make sure that it also corresponds with what's actually happening here, because you see buy 2, get 3 free. That is not what we're actually doing here. We're doing buy 2, get 2. And then in this case, also buy 3, get 3. And then we'll have that as a 6-pack. And then typically what makes sense is you also add an image here. So for some reason, there's a remove free gift. So we're going to remove that. But you typically also want to have an image so people can visualize what they're receiving. So you can click add image, and then inside of Canva, you can edit 3 or 6 or whatever the amount is of your product. And then really the last option is doing a value stack. So as you can see with this Pilates board, they have their main product plus a bunch of free gifts, and that is just their default offer. So typically the best app for that is not going to be Kaching, but instead it's going to be Moon Bundles. So clicking on create bundle, we'll do it from scratch here. We're going to do, yes, the quantity breaks plus free gifts here. And then we're going to do unique offer with gifts as the template. So let's select that one. And it's pretty simple. So all we got to do is just select what product we want to have this show up for. So we'll do the comfort massager, and pretty much the same kind of settings where, again, you can customize the headlines and make it look pretty neat. But for now, let's just make sure we have the gifts in there. So again, we can throw in all the different ones. It depends how many you want to have. You can have 2, you can have 4. It's up to you. So in this case, we'll select the 1-year warranty as our first gift. We'll go to the next one, select just, again, kind of a random product for now. So that's looking pretty good. And then for the title, today only 4 gifts offer is a little bit bland for me. So I typically do exclusive sale, 4 free gifts included. And then going back up to our product, I do also like to customize and have a little label underneath. So you have the plus 4 gifts going on, which is all right. It's not bad, but usually I like to do the save the dollar amount here. So yeah, save 55. And with a few tweaking, as you can see right here, you can obviously customize the colors, make it look a little bit more professional. But again, I just want to show you the nuts and bolts. So with all that in mind, when I do test a product, I always like to do 2 unique offers so I can see which one performs better. But it does depend on the product that I'm selling. So for our 4-in-1 facial blade, this is not really a product where people are going to buy multiples. So it doesn't really make sense to have a bundle deal going on or a fake BOGO. I can see us offering the option to buy another one just because you never know. But realistically, what's going to be the big equation I need to solve is what is the right price for buying one? That's what I want to first split test to really see what sticks. So since the product cost is about $30, I need to get around 90 to actually meet my margin rules. So let's create a new bundle deal. We'll do quantity breaks for the same product, keep it nice and simple. And now we will do a little bit of cosmetic customization because I know those other ones were pretty ugly fugly. I mean, they look like most of the Torres of the bar that I somehow end up sleeping with after a few shots of tequila. But anyways, scrolling on down. So countdown timer is something we can have. Subscriptions doesn't really make sense for this product. Progressive gifts I could see, but I'd have to figure out what product. So for now, we're just going to keep it bland. We're going to keep it a little bit simple. So we're going to have bar 1. Let's customize that a little bit. And we're going to do buy 1 as the title. And then we'll have a little label that just says save 30. Now, I don't typically like to have subtitles. I don't really think that's necessary, especially when I watch my animes like Attack on Titan. But from here, I do like to add an image of the product. So just to have a version where they can see what it looks like of just one. So inside of Canva, I just designed these with transparent backgrounds, really simple. So from here, we'll just go back into Kaching. We'll upload our photo. And then for size, it's completely up to you. I usually make mine pretty big here. Massive, even, some porn stars would say. Oh my God, it's so big. Okay, enough of that. I mean, geez, my brain has been absolutely fried from all the porn, I'm not gonna lie. But anyways, let's go to our next option. So same thing, we're just gonna do buy 2. We have the save label already there. Beautiful. We don't really need to have the save percentage. So yeah, we don't really need that. So from here, let's just add our image. We'll do the same size of 80. Bada bing, bada boom, looking pretty snazzy. And we can play around and have one little gift on the side. So we can add a free gift. In this case, I always do this for every single product, which is a 1-year warranty because it costs me absolutely nothing, but it does increase the value just a tad. So we'll do plus free 1-year warranty, and we'll have this show up for both of these options here. So let's have that for the buy 2 as well. And you know what, for the bundle and save at the top, we will try this with a little bit of urgency by having a Valentine's Day sale. So we have some urgency. You can do the countdown timer. We can do the headline. Again, you've already seen all the different ways you can customize and play around. But now from here, let's actually get into some cosmetics. Let's go into the style. And typically when it comes to the selected background, I do customize it to whatever my color scheme is. So if you followed the previous videos, I have been doing this kind of skin tone, beige, sand color. So when it is selected, I do like this. I think that looks really, really nice. And we'll play around with the label because I'm not really liking the gray on this. And also probably the border color will change as well. The free gift, I think we can also just change to the exact same color code. And then we can make the text instead from black to white potentially. That could work. Let's see. Or do we do white to black? Yeah, I think we'll do that instead. All right, so for our label background, we probably can just do more all white. And yeah, I think that looks a little bit more professional for sure. And when it comes to settings, I don't actually need to have the variant picker because yeah, we have white and gray, but most people are just gonna choose white. So we're just gonna have white be the default option anyway. So what we're gonna do is we are going to hide the theme variant picker and also get rid of that variant option. Then we could just round the corners a little bit more. I do typically do anywhere between 30 to 40. Then I'm just gonna lower the titles a little bit because I did preview this to see how it looks on mobile, because you got to keep that in mind when you actually do publish this on your product page. Does it look good? Is some things broken up into 2 lines when they really should be on 1 line? So here are the different sizes I did, and this is going to be our first offer. So $89 for one, $150 for 2. So they do save a little bit of money, but that's the first price I want to split test. $89 plus the free warranty plus free shipping. All right, beautiful. So we have that done. So now let's duplicate it. And then what I want to do is have the exact same offer structure, exact same design, but we're going to do one caveat, which is of course, we are going to set up a split test. Now, how do you actually do that? Well, all we have to do is inside our product section of Shopify, we have our product right here, the plantar relief. We are going to quickly just duplicate it real quick. So what we have to do is click on the product. We are going to duplicate it, and we are going to have a second version where we have a different price, or it could be just the same price, but done in a different way. So real quick, I usually make one little change to the actual title itself. So maybe we just do 4-in-1. We can even say 3-in-1 potentially. I mean, no one's really gonna notice the difference. So yeah, let's go with 3-in-1 for this option. For the status, we'll have it as active. And then as we scroll on down, the one thing we're gonna change here is that price. So we are gonna split test $89 plus free shipping versus $79 with $9 shipping to see which one converts better. Now that we have this $79 option, how do we actually set up those shipping thresholds for our split test? Well, going on over to shipping and delivery, let's just check what our current rules are going on here. So we have priority insured shipping, which is right now, yes, the $9.99, but that's only for orders at $33. So we're gonna have to change those parameters now for this new product we're testing. So since it's at $79, we'll just do 78, and then we'll do a max of 85 from there. So anyone that orders that item will only see that option when they go into the checkout to buy. So that's awesome. Now for the free shipping option, we can do any order, and specifically we need to up these parameters that is above $86, and that would be perfectly fine. That would fit our rules. Now, obviously you want to split test that, add both to cart, test it, make sure that these are the only options showing up, but that's all we really need to do. So going on back to our $89 offer, what we can actually do is select the other version that we just made. We don't actually have to make a second version in Kaching. I apologize if I showed you that, but all we have to do, select it. So both of them will show up perfectly. And then the final thing we need to do from here is set up an A/B convert split test. So if you never use A/B convert, well, it's time to pop that split test in virginity, my friend. I'm glad I got to watch it happen. I love taking girls' flowers, and my homies too. It's not gay. I mean, we're trying to make money here. We're trying to make some dough. Golly, can a white boy get a little bit of motion? But anyways, how we actually set this up, click create new test. We are going to do URL redirect, and then you just choose one of those versions of the product to be the original traffic source. So essentially you are going to have your ads go to one URL. So it could be, in this case, the 4-in-1. So what we'll do is we'll grab the specific URL. So let's do that real quick. We're going to grab this, bada bing, bada boom. Now, hopping on back to our A/B convert, we're going to paste that, and then basically all the traffic that goes to that product page. Now 50% will go to it. As you can see, control group has the original one, but then we also need to grab the URL of our second product page, which has our second offer. So very simple. So now let's go to the 3-in-1 version, click on view. We are gonna grab this nice handy dandy big old URL and paste it right here. And that's gonna be the second product page. You click on create test, bada bing, bada boom, ladies and gents, we have 2 offers, and now you know how to test all of the best offers. So for whatever product that you're making, keep in mind you need to have at least 3x more than it costs you, $25 margin, and be split testing those different offer structures to see which one converts the best using A/B convert. So your homework for today is to start using Kaching to set up one of those 3 different offers and to use A/B convert so you're split testing that offer every single week so you can see what is the most valuable offer that makes you the most money at the end of the day. So if you enjoyed, make sure to like, make sure to subscribe, keep watching the series, guys, because we are so close to testing our first product and seeing how it performs.